What's going on, guys? Gabe here with ReviewDork, and I'm going to blow your mind today. There's going to be a lot of new millionaires or gorillionaires, and instead of saying when Lambo, I'm going to show you guys how to buy yourself a Lambo each and every year with never touching your capital. But before we get into that, let's see how AMC is doing. And as you guys can see here, it broke out of this bearish channel here, and I was really hoping it would respect this upward trend line here, but it didn't. It is consolidating, and that is fine. It is lunchtime. We're approaching 2 o'clock Eastern time. Would like to see what this does during power hour. And more importantly, I'm really excited to see this break the $14 mark, because there's going to be a lot of options that print, and this is going to create a lot of great forward momentum coming next week. So AMC, you guys just keep holding, right? With that being said, I want you guys to check out apecrayons.com. It's a community built by yours truly, and you get to connect with other apes, gorillas, and share your DD. And more importantly, if Facebook or Reddit happen to go down during the most epic squeeze in the history of the financial markets, you do have Ape Crayons. But go ahead, check it out, and it's free, absolutely free. With that being said, I want to talk about this here. So you made a cool $1 million. You made a cool $2 million, right? I would advise that you would allow yourself between $100,000 and $150,000 to remain in your brokerage. And on a daily basis, I want you to conservatively invest $75,000. I want to show you guys something here. If we invested $75,000 daily, and you only made a return of 0.6%, meaning a stock or equity you invested in did not even go up a full 1%, but 0.6%, right? This is about 8 minutes worth of work on a daily basis, guys, right? So over 31 days, which means we have 21 trading days, you would have made $10,000 or a 13% profit. Now, I know you're like, hey, Gabe, that doesn't buy me a Lambo. Well, I mean, it does pay some bills, right? But no, it doesn't buy you a Lambo yet. So we take the $75,000 and daily compounded 0.6% return over 365 days. That is 260 business days. We have taken that 75,000 and we have turned it into $280,000 for a whopping 373% profit. Now, this does not look like a lot, right, guys? Because when we look at this chart, we start investing on the 17th. We only made $450. And you're saying, well, Gabe, what the hell is $450? I'm a millionaire now. Well, as you guys can see, it starts to compound. And this is the problem with a lot of young investors, is that you do not give your portfolio the time and opportunity to marinate. And as you guys can see, from May to May, you're making $2,000 daily by next May. And this is the power of a compounding effect. Listen, guys, for the most part, when we jump into trading as a new trader, you do have the mindset of, I'm going to become rich, right? But then when you become rich, the mindset changes to, how do I preserve my wealth? And this is a very simple strategy. And it shows you that once you become that gorillionaire and the millionaire, that your money can actually work for you. And it doesn't have to be very aggressive at all. You do not have to put a lot of pressure on your money to make money. You don't have to put a lot of pressure on your portfolio. And that's something that a lot of new apes end up doing. They jump in and they go all in on a certain equity, putting a lot of pressure on their portfolio to make that 40, 50, 60, 70% return a week. And that is not necessary. You guys see the power of 0.6%. And guys, you can find these movements all day, every day. I would advise, maybe check out Trade Rush. Those guys like that show you how to use the MACD and the RSI, or if you guys would like me to do just some very simple videos on how to find those trades, just let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, guys, that's it for me today. Go back on Trace Trades, catch his live stream. I'm signing out. Peace.